John Paul, tell me what you drew.
It's a picture of outer space, and this is a rocket ship with fire coming out of it.
Yes.
And then we have a picture of the solar system from Mercury to Earth, and a picture of the solar system from Mercury to Makemake.
So show me all those ones that start at the sun.
So this is the sun in the big area. This is the sun in the little area.
Okay, and tell me about those planets.
And this shows it's from Mercury to Makemake.
Okay, so
And then that's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. This is Mars, and that's Jupiter.
is this Saturn over here?
No, this is Saturn.
Uh-huh.
Saturn, Uranus,
Yes.
Neptune,
Yes.
Pluto, Eris. This is Pluto. That's Neptune. This is Pluto. And then we got Eris and Makemake.
Very nice. Okay, John Paul, count for me by twos, please.
2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 26, 18, 20, 22.
24, 26, 20.
I'm going to stop at 22.
Okay, count by threes. Can you count by threes?
3, 6, 9, 12, 16,
15,
15. I forgot.
18,
18, 21, 24, 27.
Good. Now, can you count by fours?
Sure. 4, 8, 12, 16, 21,
20,
24, 28, 32.
Good. Okay, now this time count by fives, but do it calmly so we can understand you.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65,
Okay, that's good.
70. Plus 5 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we put a slash? Oh, yeah. So the answer is 5 million.
You wrote your 5 backwards. Just his hat. But go ahead. 5 million.
5 million. 790.
Okay, what's 5 times 6? So you have 6 groups of 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Good. How about right up there, 6 times 2? What does that equal? What does 6 times 2 equal?
Wow.
Good. How about 4 times 4? Times 4. What's 4 times 4?
60.
Good. How about 2 times 7? Okay, one more. How about 3 times 4? Wow, good job. Okay, John Paul, what's 10 divided by 5? If I have 10 jelly beans and I put them in 5 groups, how many's in each group?
2.
Right. How about 8 divided by 2? If I have 8 jelly beans, I put them into 2 baskets. How many's in each basket? 4. Good. Now, if I have 6 jelly beans, I divide them by 3. How many's in each basket? Close.
Yes.
6 divided by 3 is 2?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Because 2, 4, 6.
Okay. Guess Mommy wasn't thinking. Okay, John Paul. Let's look at some of these states, and you can tell me what they are. What's this one? Oops.
Texas.
What's this one?
New Mexico.
What's this one?
Utah.
How about over here? What's this one?
Florida.
What's above Florida?
Georgia.
And what's next to Georgia?
Alabama.
And how about up here? What's this one?
New York.
And what's this one?
Michigan.
And what's this one?
Montana.
And what's this one?
Nebraska.
Okay, and these little states over there, what were those called originally?
The original colony.
And how many were there?
13.
There were 13. Do you know what the 13 original colonies were?
Yes. Maine, New Hampshire, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, Maryland, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine.
Good. Okay, John Paul, what is this a map of?
The world.
Okay, and how many continents are there?
7.
Show me the continents.
There's America, South America, Antarctica, Africa, Asia, Europe, Oceania.
Okay, so tell me some of the countries that are in North America.
I know all of them. Canada, United States, Mexico.
Okay, would you point to those, please? Canada, United States, Mexico. So tell me the countries that are in South America.
I don't know all of them.
Well, tell me a few that you know.
Brazil,
Point to Brazil.
Argentina, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, and
Okay, so tell me, where is Africa?
there are so many countries in there.
Okay, show me a few that you know. What's this one down here at the bottom?
Lesotho in South Africa.
Okay. And how about this little island right here? What's that one?
Madagascar.
Okay, so how about some of these up here? Tell me some of these countries in northern Africa.
Mali.
Point to Mali.
Right there.
Okay.
And Chad, Sudan, Egypt, Libya, Central African Republic, Niger, Togo.
Okay. So now tell me Europe. What's in Europe?
Spain
What if
and
we can zoom in?
Portugal.
We can zoom in a little. Cool. Spain and Portugal. What's this one?
France.
What's this one where Grandma lives?
Italy.
That's as far in as we can zoom. What's this one?
Germany.
Good. Okay, skip back a little bit.
It used to be West Germany and East Germany.
Yeah.
But Russia is part of Europe, and it used to take over a lot of countries.
Yeah, and it was called the
And then it
USSR.
split apart.
That's right. It's for those Eastern European countries. So tell me about some of these Eastern European countries right here. Okay, stop zooming for a second and tell me about those countries.
Russia, a double continent country, because it belongs to 2 countries.
Uh-huh.
I mean, Russia belongs to 2 continents, Asia and Europe.
Right. So show me some of these Eastern European countries. Like, what's this one right here? And then tell me what's this area called. I know it's part of Asia, but what's it called?
Middle East.
Good. And so tell me some of the countries in the Middle East.
I know all of them.
Okay.
Iraq, Qatar, I think
What's this one?
Kuwait, Yemen,
Good.
Oman, Saudi Arabia, Israel. Israel is also a double continent country.
Is it?
Yeah, because it belongs to Africa and Middle East.
Okay. So now let's go look over at Oceania. Tell me what some of the countries are that are in Oceania.
Oh my goodness, there are so many.
Okay, so tell me what the biggest one is.
Australia.
And so what's this here?
That's actually part of Asia.
Okay. And what country is that?
Indonesia.
Good. Okay, and so what's up here? What countries are up here? What's this big one?
China, Russia, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan,
And what's this one right here, that little island country?
Japan.
Okay. Go ahead.
This was thought that it can be repaired in space. All the scientific equipment on the telescope can be taken off and replaced by astronauts without bringing the telescope back to Earth. Once the Hubble Space Telescope was placed into orbit, astronomers were eager to use it. They performed some tests to hear the telescope, probably, but no one expected source will probably no one expect any source though. When the first pictures were taken, however, it was.
It was what? Turn the page.
That something was very that something was very wrong.